ladies, and welcome to the segment of the video. This segment has proudly been sponsored by Loragal. Loragal is a fashion brand, and they not only deal with clothing, they deal with shoes, bags, and accessories. Do well to check on their website. I will link everything in the description box below. I'll also be able to leave my discount code for you guys to be able. Loragal is a fast-growing fashion brand, and they have sent me 6 items to try out in the video today. I will be showing you all these amazing items. Alright, without further ado, let's get to see this item one by one. So the first item they sent to me is this 2-piece corporate wear, and I absolutely love it. I chose this look because of how simple, elegant, and classy it looks. It looks so well put together. I love the pants. I love how wide the feet are, and I also love the top. I love the statement bow that comes with it. I also love the arms. I love the gathers. It is so beautiful, so easy to wear. I absolutely love this one. This one is definitely going to be one of my favorite corporate outfits to wear. Also, I like the fact that I can layer it underneath for winter, and it is so great and so versatile. I can choose to style them differently or wear them together as a set. Now the next piece they've sent me is this amazing blazer, and I love the fact that it's half and half, so it kind of gives contrast. It's easy to style up. You can match this up any way you like. I love the fact that this is such an amazing blazer. I love that it is also thick. However, I do not like the fact that the pockets are not usable, but let's not take away from the beauty of the jacket. It's such a nice blazer. It doesn't take away from the beauty. You can also choose to use different colors of belts, ranging from different thickness, so it's easy to style as well, and I absolutely love this one. The next item is this jumpsuit, and I absolutely love the fact that it is army green. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone because it has no sleeves at all, but I choose to style this with tank tops or bodysuits, things like that, so it's a little bit easier or presentable. And obviously during winter you would need as many layers as possible. So yes, I love this one. I love the fact that it is baggy as well. I can choose to cinch the waist anyhow I like. I like the fact that the pants or the feet of the trouser has gathers in it. It kind of gives a little oomph to the outfit, so I really love it. I also love the fact that it has a number of pockets, so it is so easy to wear. Now this next item is such an amazing item because I've had my eye on it since but last year. It was such a nice piece. It felt so like cashmere, but it is thick. It's also a long one, so you can choose to layer this as much as possible. I got this in the size extra large because I would like to layer it underneath during winter. Obviously, I love the fact that it has pockets. It has a very nice color to it. I love the colors. I love the design. I love the pattern. It is so beautiful, so thick, and I can't wait to rock this, especially now that we are gradually approaching autumn. I would definitely recommend this one piece to everyone. I love this one hands down. And this next one is one that I really love. It is nothing like I've had before. I love the pop of red on it, on the color lines that just run down to the legs. I love the Burberry design. I love the black and white. It is just so beautiful. I love how big it is. It also feels cashmere, so it is very warm, and it is great for winter. It is so good, and I love the fact that it wraps around my body, so it's a warm jacket. The only disadvantage is that you have to hold this with your hand, but it's kind of the style as well, if you get what I mean. Now this last and final item is one that I love so much because it gives me so much character. It is nothing like I've had before. It's a really long jacket. It's leathery, has some buckles on the arm, it has some gold effects, it has some nice pockets as well. I love this one. I got this in a size 2XL because I would like to layer up underneath. So if you like any of these items that I've reviewed, please do well to click on the link in my description. Check out their website. They have a ton of amazing outfits for you to check out, and I'm sure you will like the items. Also remember to use my discount code to be able to benefit from amazing discounts. And yes, thank me later. Let's get on with the rest of today's video.
3 days later.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm currently on my break now, and I just stopped by Morrison's. I needed some shower gel, and I just wanted to snack on something, so I've been to the shop and I'm heading back to work. So I finally make my way back to the office and I just try to get my thoughts back together before I get back into work. The cold is starting to get really serious these days. And I just try to distress sometimes because with this cold, sometimes it gets mentally draining. That's why I went to the store to get something to eat and nibble on. But this thing was just too sweet for me. And the boys eventually finished it at the close of work. So when I got home, it was just basically routine. Got the boys ready for bed, prepared for the next day, and that was it. It's been a long day, and boys are finally in bed. But I just wanted to have a quick chat with you guys. I know I'm not the only one, and like many other moms, I constantly worry about what my children are exposed to online. I know there's a lot of activities, a lot of new things that are popping up here and there, engaging for children, but have very dangerous or misleading or misguided undertones to them. And as a parent, it's natural to be concerned about these things because you don't want your children to be influenced the wrong way or to pick up a bad habit that they're curious about and then they end up going down a rabbit hole searching on the internet. So I found this great app and I just wanted to introduce that to you guys. It's an app that allows you to kind of control what your child is exposed to and what your child watches. On the FamiSafe 7.0 app, it has amazing features that can allow you control what your child is exposed to and control the apps that your child is actually watching. So you can set this up on your phone and control as many devices as is in your household. You can also be able to set time limits, set app limits, check their browser history. It allows you to be able to detect some messages as well. They have this really cool feature called the app limit where you can set time limits, screen time for your child per app. You can also choose to do this on a weekly or a daily schedule just by following the easy prompts. I just love the fact that the app gives you as much control as a parent while the child still thinks that is still in control of their content, whereas we have the secret power. Anyway, you guys, the app is absolutely user friendly and I believe you will get along with it. Also on the FamiSafe app, you will be sent live notifications when your child is being bullied or has received a dangerous or offensive message. Did I mention that you can also track your child's live location, which is a great tool I'm sure parents with teenagers will find useful. Now, if you would love to try this app out, which I highly recommend, there is a 3-day free trial for you to test out. What more do you need to hear? Click on the unique link in the description box and download the app. Get your family secured because at least if we know that they are watching the right programs or they are at least guided to a degree, we can sleep better at night. Don't you agree? Download the app and thank me later.
3 days later.
Hello, Sunny Bonani, and welcome to the channel. Tiredness. I'm so tired. My head feels like there's 3 people standing on my head. The time right now is about 6 o'clock, well, almost 6:30, and I've put the boys to bed because their noise was aggravating the whole head situation. Besides, it's already dark, so they don't even know the difference. And technically, it's like 7:30 because the time has moved backwards. But you guys, I feel very wonderful, and I'm still in my work clothes. I already told them at work that I'm not coming in tomorrow, so they know not to expect me. I have a lot to do in the house, as in housework, content wise. It's just a lot to do. I'm just going to go straight to bed now. Okay. I'm also trying to get ready to just lie down. And thankfully, you guys, your suggestion for reviewing content has really been a game changer, and I don't know why it took me this long to actually figure it out, because the shorter the review, the easier it is for me to edit. And why it took me this long, I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys. You see, this YouTube, we're learning together. That's the thing, because no one knows it all. I have another wig from She and Here to review. That video will also probably go up before this one. I'm not sure, you guys. Let me just change out of this clothes and get into bed. Because my head, as I'm talking, and I won't stop talking. When I was telling my manager today that I won't be coming in tomorrow, I was looking at me, I was like, but you've been chatting with me all day. I said, yes, I've been chatting, but my head, like, mentally, I'm more present at work today. Guys, my clothes are spilling over to my children's room. Well, it has been like that since we came into the UK because, you know, with the wardrobe situation, there's hardly any space for all the clothes. I'll talk to you tomorrow as well.